Your smile impacts confidence and opportunities. The dental state in America. 120 million Americans are missing teeth. 36 million live toothless. 74 million without insurance. Those with insurance. 1,000 or 1,500 maximum coverage, not enough to cover one implant. Left untreated. Infection, chronic pain, chewing difficulty, heart disease. Healthy smiles lead to better jobs and more money. Why Americans don't seek treatment. 3,000 to 7,500 for each implant. 2.6 million veterans are missing 6 teeth plus. Social impact. 38% of Americans lack confidence. 1 in 5 adults have social anxiety. 23% are embarrassed by their mouth. 28% of young adults have limited earning potential due to poor dental health. Barriers. 30,000 dental restoration per arch, 60,000 for full mouth. This is America. Chewing shouldn't be a luxury for the rich. Your smile potential, priceless. HebeDoc, affordable dental implants for America, save 60 to 70%.